Guys, I'm super stoked. And it's fucking dope. I just released my very first Python script, and what it is it's a Python script that helps with Windows and Linux fork bombs by means of generation. So it's pretty damn sweet. And when you start it up, it's gonna play "Boys in the Hood" by Eazy-E, and it's gonna have a README file, a whiteboard, the Python script. And when you scroll down, this is going to tell you more information. So I'll put the link in the description when I get it upload, like after I get it uploaded anyways. But anyways, you got WhItEbOaRd.py, which is the file's name, and the project's names actually. So yeah. Anyways, I couldn't get the artwork to work for some reason. I'll try that later, but I'm not gonna try right now. I'm trying to find some PS2 games on my PS3 right now. So, or not on my PS3, but on my computer. I'm trying to find some PS3 games so I can put on my PS3 to play. But yeah, so anyways, Python script that helps with Windows and Linux fork bombs by means of generation. This is an open source Python script developed by JetBargamon HD. And it gives you the information. Welcome to WhItEbOaRd.py wiki. Python script is named WhItEbOaRd.py. Python script WhItEbOaRd.py was released on Saturday, February 10th. Python script WhItEbOaRd.py was developed by JetBargamon HD. Now how to clone/download is git clone and that, and then how to run is open WhItEbOaRd.py directory, its directory in the terminal, and type Python WhItEbOaRd.py. And that's how you run it. So yeah, pretty sweet. And by the way, you don't need to install any programs for this. Boys in the Hood, I already got it. It's in the code. It would automatically do it for you, and it will start up the program right after. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. So peace.